How to create a landing page in Shopify. What's up guys, my name is Krause and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you everything needed to successfully create a good looking and converting landing page for your store. Now by default you aren't actually going to have the option to create landing pages inside Shopify. That's why I'm actually going to make this video to show you how to create landing pages for your product, for your maybe collection, or in general just a landing page for your store. And in today's tutorial I will actually show you everything in detail. So without further ado, let's simply get started with the video. So as you can see, if I'm now going to head to online store right here on the left, we can actually see what kind of theme we are currently using. For me, this would be the refresh theme. Now, the theme doesn't really matter for this tutorial as we're actually going to use an app for this, but more on that later on. So nonetheless, if you're going to use the Dawn theme, Spotlight theme, refresh theme, craft theme, or any other theme out there, this is going to work the same way. So if we're going to click on customize right here, we basically don't really have the option to build up a good looking landing page. The only option that we have is actually simply customizing these pages right here. However, let me actually show you how to now set up a landing page. Now this is actually going to be pretty straightforward. Just make sure to click on the link down below. The link down below will actually redirect you to an app called GemPages. Now no worries guys, this is actually completely free to use. So just click on the link down below and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, a free plan is going to be available, and then make sure to install this onto your store. Now as you can see on the demo store right here, basically with GemPages you're going to get basically just a product page and a general page builder for your store. And I actually really like GemPages because this can actually significantly improve the conversion rates of your store, because basically with this you can build up custom branded sites that basically no other Shopify store are actually going to have. So just basically install this onto your store, and once you've installed it, just make sure to click on create new page, and then by default you are going to see different kind of templates which you can then use for your store. So this is going to include stuff like home pages, product pages, collection pages, and so on. And basically right here as the first option, we also do have landing pages. However, now be careful, landing pages are going to look something like this, where the customer can basically put in an email address. However, if you do want to create a landing page for a certain product, for example, you would then just have to select product page right here, and you could then go for any of these templates. The same goes for collections. If you want to build up a collections landing page, you can do so by just selecting collections right here, and by then choosing any of these templates. However, in this case, I'm actually just going to start from scratch with this to give you guys a better idea on how this is going to work. It is actually super simple. Just make sure to listen tightly on what I'm going to say, because otherwise it can be a little bit complicated. So as you can see right here, we are going to basically have two different options of adding certain elements or sections onto our site, which would be sections and elements. So sections would kind of be pre-made different kind of sections. This is also similar to Shopify. So if you, for example, do want to add a hero section, you will just have to select it right here, and you are then going to have tons of different templates for this. So let's, for example, just add this right here. I will then just select this and drag this onto this, and now we do have this hero section added. So once we've actually added this, and once we are going to click on it, right here on the left we are going to see the settings of this exact section. We can then change up the layout, we can also change up the ratio, banner source, so basically the image right here, and basically we can customize this depending on our own likings. So we can actually also click on advanced right here, and you can then, for example, display certain sections only on desktop, only on tablet, and so on. But we're actually not going to do this for this hero section. We're rather going to do this later on. Basically, if you now do want to preview this on mobile to see how it looks, you will just have to select it right here on the top, and as you can see, this instantly has been a breakpoint created for the mobile version, which instantly got customized for mobile, so we don't really have to do anything right here. I'm going to change this back to desktop, and now we can basically repeat this by once again adding different kind of templates onto this. So as you can see right here, we are going to have 234 section templates by default for the free plan. All of these are going to be completely free to use. Hence why I'm also recommending GemPages to you, because basically with the free plan you are going to get most of the essential features that you are going to need, and you aren't going to have any major disadvantages. Obviously, if you are a big store, I would recommend you to upgrade, but nonetheless, to get started, this works perfectly fine. And we can then actually also add different kind of URLs, or we can also upload an image right here. Now, right here on the left, we can then actually also basically select and customize the global styles. Now, these work similar to the actual theme settings on your Shopify store. So if we are going to change different kind of colors right here on the left, this is then automatically going to be updated for all of the different elements where these colors have been used. Now, the same goes for the font manager. If you are going to change this, basically this is then automatically going to be updated. However, as for this, I'm actually going to discard the changes right here, as I'm just going to go with the default font that we are going to use for this. And we can basically then also go over all of the other options, which I'm not going to do right now. And then right here on the templates, once again, you can open up the template library. I'm going to close this for now. And you can actually also simply upload an image right here. And this will then automatically be basically generated to an actual working website. So this is basically just AI. This is in the beta. However, from my experience, this actually does work pretty good. So if you do have some maybe templates, or if you do have some mockups created on Figma or any other thing similar, you can just upload that mockup, and then GemPages will automatically transform that mockup onto a working site. So right here on the elements, we can then actually also change this view from sections to elements, and we can now further customize this by, for example, adding a new row right here. This would be actually a full row, and inside this row we can then, for example, add a video. Let's say we are going to add a video, and now we do have this video added. Now I'm going to delete this for now. You can actually also use this split up row to actually display two different elements inside your row. So in this case, I'm just going to, for example, put in a text heading on the left right here. And then I'm going to put in, let's see, what could we do? Maybe an image comparison right here on the right. And like this, we can then put in something like your iPhone in a new case. I don't know, I'm just making this up right now. And then basically we do have this image slider right here on the right, which actually is one of my favorite features about GemPages in general. And this image slider, image comparison feature can be super useful if you, for example, are going to create a beauty product landing page, or if you are in general going to create anything related to beauty, or basically this can also work for other niches. But especially for the beauty niche, this is just a must-have in my opinion. We can then also further customize this by adding a text block under this heading right here, and we would then have to actually edit this depending on our copywriting text. We can then actually also row these two calls. You can customize this to your likings. Now in this case, we can also change the alignment, and basically we can just do whatever we want with this. Hence why I'm also recommending to actually go for GemPages as this landing page option, as you are basically going to have full freedom when it comes to actually creating and also customizing your landing page. Now, I'm not actually going to continue right now. I'm rather going to publish this right now to actually show you how to display this on your site. And I'm actually going to show you that this is completely free to use. Just click on publish right here on the top right. And now we can actually view the live page. And by default, this header right here from our store has been added onto this page, as well as the footer. Now, the only thing that we will have to do is opt out of this. Then head over to online store right here. And then under pages, you can basically see your landing page, and you can then copy this page right here to actually then drive traffic to. And in some cases, you can then actually also display this landing page by adding a new navigation item right here. I'm just going to add, landing page. Obviously, this doesn't really make sense as for this example, but in some cases you could do that. And to now display that landing page, just select pages right here and then select that landing page from today. Make sure to click on save, and if we're now going to view our online store, as you can see, this landing page button right here is visible, and this is basically fully accessible. We all know that starting a successful Shopify store can be super hard. That's why I'm right now giving out my Shopify course for completely free. Now you're going to learn everything needed to actually streamline your Shopify success in that exact course, so make sure to click on the link down below to get started.